Alright, so we got this little ceiling fan. It was like 15 bucks on Amazon. 6 watt fan, 12 volts. It's really small. Goes together pretty easily, and just a couple of wires. And my plan is to replace this light so that this switch down here will operate the ceiling fan. We don't ever use this light because we have the little pedestal lights that are above the bed. So we don't use this one. And we also have that hall light that we use in here. So we use this one and those two. So I'm just going to take this light out and replace it with the fan so that I can turn on the fan with the switch. So we'll see how this goes. We start by removing the light fixture above the bed. I thought I might have to make a piece to cover the hole from the light fixture, but it turned out that the actual hole behind the fixture was quite small. In fact, it was just the right size for the fan. I did a test of the wiring to make sure that I had the polarity correct. DC Power has a positive and negative wire, so you need to make sure that you have the polarity set up correctly. I then did a quick check just to make sure that the fan worked. Wiring it up was simple: positive to positive, negative to negative, a couple of wire nuts, and it was all done. There was plenty of room in the hole to stuff the wires, but the clip that the fan hung from didn't really fit up in the hole really great, so I decided to pry it open to make it more secure. This clip was really strong and did not want to bend at all. I had to really force it. Once I finally got it shaped the way I wanted, I put it back on the fan and wedged it into place, and it held really securely. Then, just clean up the mess I had made, and that was it. Really easy. Alright, it's all done. Wired it up to the 12 volts that are on the switch. I had to modify the little clip that hangs it a little bit to widen it so it would wedge into the hole that was there, kind of like how those can lights work. They have the little spring-loaded thing that wedges them in. So I did that there, holds it pretty secure. And when you hit the switch, nice little ceiling fan. It moves the air pretty nice. Feels good. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to check out some of my other little DIY projects we've done on the RV.